Hey gamers, we're at Bullock Pen Lake. Going to do a review of the ramp. Just first of all, right here's the fishing regulations. Let me show you that real quick. Alright, this is a 134 acre reservoir in Grant County, Kentucky, right outside in the Crittenden area off of Violet Road. Let's look going down the ramp. Has a nice pull around area right off from the parking lot. It does have a portalet too. So as we go on down the ramp, we're doing some fishing here today and decided to go ahead and do a little review. Had a couple bass get off. One broke a line, another one just didn't set the hook right. But it's a idle only lake, so we saw a lot of kayakers here today. We were here on our kayaks, and it has some vegetation around the banks, some rocky banks, stick ups and some flats. Has a few docks, but yeah, as you can see, we can get to the nice pull up here and then down a one-lane ramp to the water. So right over there's the water intake for the water system in the county, but very nice ramp. Then has a courtesy dock pull up to get out of the way, and then pull on up to the parking area. This is actually one of the nicer areas. There are lots and ramps for the smaller lakes in the county. But as you can see, plenty of good parking here. There's bass tournaments that come here occasionally on the weekends. Just talking to a guy, said it took in the upper teens, around 20 pounds to win a tournament last year. He said 10-pound fish. I don't know about that, but I know he said they caught them. So some bigger fish, and then up through there, the entrance and exit to Violet Road. Again, as you can see, plenty of parking. Good place to come with kayaks, canoes. He said a lot of kayaks here today. We got ours set up here. A couple Jackson bites. Gonna take two. But again, like, subscribe. A Game Custom Lures. Catch you next time.